Hi mga kagaw! Ngayon may kasama tayo. Anong pangalan mo?
My name is Dancer.
Yan,
So
Kuya
ngayon,
Dancer.
ang pakulo namin ngayon ay sinatawag na pasta. Morning or night practice?
Night practice.
Night. Hip-hop or contemporary?
Yes,
May
sample
swag
nga.
may swag.
Cheers.
Freestyle or choreography?
Choreography.
Solo or group performance?
Solo.
Yes, solo.
Gusto mo yung solo eh. Oh, ito. Big stage or small stage?
Big stage.
Nervous or excited before performing?
Excited mo ba?
Yes, excited.
Talagang may bitaw.
Yes. Sneakers or
Sneakers or barefoot? Fast car or slow car? Ah, may bitaw.
Di
Watch
ba?
first or try agad? Dahil try agad. Clean moves or powerful moves?
Powerful move.
Yes.
Basta.
Dahil dyan magsasample siya. Cheres! Hi mga kagaw!
Tayo ngayon na nagbabalik sa isa na naman pakulo. Pero bago yan, ate, pakilala ka muna.
Hi everyone, my name is Arian Lapi.
Ayun ate, yung bagong pakulo natin is tinatawag na fast talk. Morning practice or night practice?
Night practice.
Hip-hop or contemporary?
Hip hop.
Freestyle or choreography?
Choreography.
Solo or group performance?
Group performance.
Big stage or small stage?
Big stage.
Kinakabahan or excited before performing?
Both.
Sneakers or barefoot?
Sneakers.
Fast choreo or slow choreo?
Fast choreo.
Watch first or try agad?
Watch first.
Last, clean moves or powerful moves?
Clean move.
Yes.
May bitaw eh, pasabog talaga to eh.
Di ba? Thank you so much, ate. Hi, mga kagaw!
Ngayon nagbabalik tayo para meron tayong isang pakulo. Kuya, alam mo ba yung fast talk? Yan, go. Morning practice or night practice?
Night practice.
Hip-hop or contemporary?
Contemporary.
Freestyle or choreography?
Freestyle.
Solo or group performance?
Group performance.
Big stage or small stage?
Big stage.
Kinakabahan or excited before performing?
Nakabahan.
Sneakers or barefoot?
Barefoot.
Fast choreo or slow choreo?
Fast choreo.
Watch first or try agad?
Try agad.
Clean moves or powerful moves?
Powerful move.
Ayan,
Ayan.
sobrang grabe. May bitaw talaga yung mga kasali sa dance class natin ngayong araw. Thank you po! What's up mga kagaw? Kayo pa ba ay gumagalaw?
Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Kasi nandito pa kami. Again, I'm Gwen with a G from Sukat Dance Community.
Audrey with the G, G for gorgeous.
Mali! Galaw!
G for galaw.
Balita ko meron daw ulit silang dance class mo. Malapit na.
Ano, sale? Tara?
Tara?